Hey guys, got an Xbox here which, as you can see, the eject button has been broken on, so I'm going to replace it. Now, if you eject button is there on your console, it just won't open. I have a video of they're fairly easy to open, I'll link it. So the next thing we have to unfortunately take apart a good bit of the Xbox to actually get to this. The first step is to remove this front cover. This can be removed quite easily. You just pull it. You have to put a bit of force onto it. It might seem like you're going to break it, but you won't. Just keep pulling it, it'll come away. Next step is removing the hard drive. You just push that down, it'll just lift right out. This end is a bit trickier than the other end, but what you want to do is just to get this up at this end. Although hard to see, between these two little filled in white holes there's a tab, and by pushing in you can release it. So you just work your way releasing these tabs. Now that they're out, they might be a bit clearer. So you just keep pushing them in and they'll release. This end I find a bit easier. I don't know, it's just easier to see the tabs or something. The same thing between the white bits. In that side. Front of the Xbox, you have your sticker here, which you're going to have to slice, maybe pry it up a little bit. This gives you your 3 tabs. There's no need to break the console down anymore in this. I just have 2 screwdrivers stuck in the side just to keep it wedged open. Getting the old one out is fairly straightforward. You just push this tab in and it'll lift out. This is the replacement. I got it on eBay. They're very cheap, couple of quid. I'll drop an affiliate link down to the search page if you want to have a look. They come in different colours, so obviously just grab the one whichever's correct for your console. This just goes into the little hole where the switch is. Now stick this back together and test it. I'm not going to film putting this back together, it all just clips. Once I pull out the screwdrivers, just a clip, the top and bottom just clip back on. So I'll see it when it's set up and we'll test it. I suppose in theory I could have tested this while it was still half taken apart, just to be sure, but I mean I was fairly confident it was going to fix it. There we are. Great guys, thanks for watching.